My name is Karlene Hardy, and I am a potato grower from Oakley, Idaho. On our southern Idaho farm, we grow russet potatoes for fresh pack. Honey whole wheat potato bread is a regular. There's nothing more delicious than a fresh batch of bread made with dehydrated potatoes. I've made a short video to share with you. Enjoy! We start out with 3 tablespoons of yeast in 1 1/4 cups of warm water and a tablespoon of sugar. Then I put 4 cups of hot water in my wash. And then I add to that 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 1/2 cups of honey. And 1/2 cup of oil. I wait for my yeast to rise. I add 8 cups of home ground whole wheat flour. Mix that in a bit. And then the real magic, 2 cups of dehy potato. The potatoes add not only wonderful nutrients, vitamins, they also give us more texture to the final product. Mix that in a little. Now my yeast has risen and it's ready to add right to the mixer. Mix that in a bit. And then for even more elasticity, I add 1/2 cup, maybe a little more, of dough pep. Mix that in. And then before adding the remainder of the flour, I run the mixer for about 2 minutes. Next, I add 5 to 7 cups of flour. Usually with the potato flakes and the dough pep, it only takes about 5 of those cups. It'll make a pretty stiff dough, so I do it to the texture until I decide whether or not I want to add more flour. Now continue to mix for about 3 additional minutes. I've removed my beater from the mixer and I'm going to push the dough down until it makes a nice, soft, even top. Once I do that, oh, this is a good texture. This is perfect. A little stiff, but still nice and pliable. Next step is to add just a small amount of cooking oil to the top. Cover the surface. This is just so that it doesn't dry out while it rises. And it will rise for an hour, sometimes up to an hour and a half. Double in size, then it will be time to put it into the pans. Once I get the oil on, I also add a paper towel to the top to help hold in the moisture. It's been about an hour and a half and I have sprayed my 6 medium-sized pans, 7 3/8 by 3 5/8. We like these pans because they fit in the toaster and make nice sandwiches. So it's time to just dump our dough out onto the counter. It doesn't need to be floured because we oiled the mixture before we let it raise. Nice, pliable, easy to work dough. Now I'm going to divide the dough into 6 even pieces to put into my pans. Work it with my hands until I get it nice and smooth. Roll it into both sides. Then I set it into my oil pan. Smooth out that bottom side. Turn it. Now it's oiled on all sides. And I will do that with each of the 6. So now they are ready to rise for 45 minutes to an hour. You want them to rise about an inch above the top of the pans to make a nice even loaf of bread when they're baked. And here is the finished product. Besides our staple of baked bread, we enjoy potato rolls, potato French bread, potato pizza crust, and more. For more potato recipe ideas, go to potatogoodness.com.